We are finally 3D printing again. Yay! Yeah, this is the ABS printer that hasn't been used in several months since I was printing face masks. Now, finally decided to get back to it. I've been busy with drone flying. So that is Mario. He's back up and running. Next job will be to get Luigi back up and running. Stay tuned. And it's done. Let's get it out. What is it? What could it be? That smell of ABS. Yummy. It's a little mount that I made to try to help mount my webcam here on the side here. So I'll have an extra camera to monitor remote printing. I have another webcam up there along with my LED light strips that serve to light up the thing. So there you go. Let's pull it off. Yeah, and it's hot. And where's my spatula? There it is. That's what I do usually. There we go. And there are all the pieces that we'll need to mount the webcam on the side of the enclosure here. I'll have to show off this enclosure more in a little more detail in another video. Hi everyone. I thought I'd just show you real quick what the mount looks like now that it's been mounted to the side. There it is. So what's great about this mount is it allows you to put the webcam in without disassembling it from its little holder. The webcam has a built-in holder thing so that it can go on the back of a monitor. But anyway, so this seems to work pretty well. So now I have two webcams to monitor my ABS prints. So I'll get back to re-enabling Luigi here in a minute in another video.